Aloha again, everybody. Mike Drutar, Principal Broker, NextHome Paradise Realty. I'm here to be your guide to all things Hawaii real estate. I'm here with another property tour. Today we are at Alii Lani. This is one of the largest complexes, if not the largest condo complex in all of Kona. Has 2 pools, reasonable maintenance fees, and these are a great entry into the market for a first-time home buyer, maybe even a first-time investor. Great condo units that are super popular. I'm going to jump right into it. There's a few things on the exterior of this unit that are really important and I think compare pretty favorably to a lot of others. Number one, you have 1, 2 guest parking stalls. Now that is not always the case. Some places they'll have guest parking stalls that are far away. Our unit's right here. This has 2 guest stalls right next to you, so that's great when you have people over. This is listed by Fran Richardson at eXp Realty. I'd like to say thank you to her for letting me bring this to you guys. I think we have something like 378 units here in Alii Lani. They have 2 swimming pools, and you're right by one of the pools, which is really nice. They did a good job putting up a whole lot of planting there, so you still maintain your privacy, and the people in the pool maintain their privacy. Another thing I really like about this, it's a ground floor unit. 2 bedroom, 2 bath, 780 square feet. But that doesn't include all this right here. This is probably the largest outdoor area I've seen at any Alii Lani unit. You always have something when you're down here on the ground level, but this is really, really big. You can also use this as extra area for entertaining if that's what you want to do, so that's really cool. This one's listed at $378,000. I kind of think it's going to go a little close to $400, and I think it'll be gone in, I don't know, 3 or 4 days. Today is Saturday. I'm going to see if I can get this out today. I have a feeling Monday night they'll have something ready to go. All right, let's get you inside. Okay guys, inside the unit now, and as I said, this is on an open house, so we may see some people coming around. Let me go wide angle on this. So as soon as you walk in the front door, you have your living area over here to the left with your sliding glass door going outside to that really large outdoor area. That's great. We got a window AC unit down here. There is no central AC here in Alii Lani, but this is what it's all about on this unit. This is the thing that caught my eye that made me say, I've got to bring this to you guys. Look at the job they did on this kitchen. Pretty darn good. They went with a quartzite, or quartz, can't really tell from here, countertop. Looks wonderful. I like the fixture that we got here. Large single basin sink. It's really great, nice and workable. If you know, you've been seeing a lot of these now. So back in the day, it was always a 2 basin sink, and now you got a lot of these single basin sinks. And people are saying, well, why do we have a single basin sink? The 2 basin is really kind of a throwback to when you would do dishes and you would wash on one side and rinse on the other and then set them out on a rack. But just about everyone uses the dishwasher now. So now it's kind of easy just to have it there, put all your stuff, rinse them off, put them in the dishwasher. Those big pots and pans, you're back over here. You got a much larger area to wash pots and pans by hand, and it just makes life a lot easier. They also did a really nice job on these cabinets. These got dowels, or I'm sorry, it looks like screws in there, so they're solid. They're soft close. They look great. And then I really like this. I gotta say, as I'm getting older, the desire for that is really strong. Not having to reach all the way back in there and fuss with everything. Just have the drawers pull it right out. I'm liking it. So really good job on this. This is a great home to get in here and start ownership today. That's what I like about Alii Lani, is that it has a price point that you can get to. To me, this is the entry-level price point for a good condo, good ownership here in Kona. It starts with Alii Lani. And even if you see one that's in not great shape, that's fine too, because you can do this as well. And these days, a lot of people don't want to do the repairs, and so sometimes you can find deals on units that aren't in great shape. We have 2 bedrooms in here. We've got a mirrored window on this side, This bedroom is good enough for a double, and you can squeeze a queen in here. It's a smaller bedroom. There I am today, guys. Give me a like if you dig this shirt. It's Saturday, so we're wearing shorts. And then over here to one of our 2 bathrooms. So this is the guest bathroom. They did a really nice job. Check out this mirror. That frame is gorgeous. We got one of these slide-in units, which is great. Highly recommend these. Makes it a lot easier just to redo the bathroom. Looks like we got a new tub as well as new fixtures, and of course this new tile looks great. I love it. It's got a nice texture to it. Feels good, and I like the little accent that they put here as well. This unit's been painted thoroughly on the inside. Looks like some of the doors, if not all the doors, have been upgraded or replaced at some point recently. And then coming in here to the owner's bedroom. Now this is plenty big for a full king size bed. They've got, I think that's a queen there, but as you can see over here to our right, there is plenty of space. This is a really popular unit in here, this floor plan, for a couple reasons. And that's the big one right there. It's kind of rare that you get a decent closet in some of these smaller condos. This particular floor plan has a great size condo. I think you could even make that a lot more efficient if you came and did a built-in down the side, along the back, and even just partway down this side. You could have a lot of space in there. And I also see sometimes people will just remove this door. Like, you don't really need that there as a door. They'll have something else, like some sort of drapery or something hanging. Remove this door and you have more storage right here instead of this door kind of losing that wall for you. And then also here in the owner's bedroom, they did an excellent job on this bathroom. Now check out the cabinet, countertop, fixture piece. We got all that. It's just like the other one. Gorgeous large mirror, just like the other bathroom as well. So everything's matching. Excellent job on that. And then I like just the shower. So you have one tub if you need it, but most people, you don't need 2 tubs. Like, almost never would you have a situation where you need to use 2 bathtubs at the same time. So this is just a walk-in shower, which I really like. They got a couple shelves over there. Point your attention to that one and one there. And then they got that little cubby hole right there with that tile mosaic. And then they use that tile down here on the floor. That looks great. I like the nice square drain. It just looks really, really good. Really nice look on here. And then this super large mirror that they installed here. I mean, this thing is solid. It is thick and it looks good. And by having that there, you really open that up and it feels nice and large. So really, really excellent job on this remodel. This is as good a remodel as I have seen. It looks like there's a line queued up to get in here. This is a big time unit, new blinds. You guys make your way over. Give me a call, like and subscribe. I'll see you again real soon.